you looking for a quick and easy way to change the style and theme of your UI project? Look no further. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the theme generator in Uizard. To access the theme generator, click on the magic button, then select Theme Generator from the list. There are 4 ways to generate a theme in Uizard. You can generate a theme from a prompt, from scratch, from an image, or from a URL. Let's try to generate theme from an image for now. To generate a theme from an image, click Image and drag and drop the image you'd like to use into the blue field. Or select an example image, then click Generate. Once the theme is generated, you can toggle back and forth between the current and generated boxes to see the differences. Click Apply if you want to go with a new theme. That's it. You now know how to use the theme generator in Uizard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please follow us for more tutorials and check the description for the link.